everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So जो भी इस चैनल में नए हैं, hello, it's me Shreya. So today I have created this glam look. So just tried with some new products. I have shown they are so affordable, they are so amazing, so pigmented. So really, I just can't believe that. So anyways, so I can you can see that I have created this bold eye and this bold lipstick with some glitters and eyeshadows and with that highlighter. So if you want this look, so without a further ado, let's get into my video. So let me just start with my skincare. So here I'll be using Pond's formulated super light gel oil free moisturizer. It's specially for the oily skin person. It says it's for non-sticky glowing skin, hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E, and it's a very super light gel and very comfortable. It's especially for the oilier skin, but it's for all skin types as it says. And looks like this. So let me just take this much and you can see the instant glow. See, it's really comfortable. Now coming on to primer, I'll be using Insight Makeup Essential Primer 3 in 1. It says primes, protects and moisturizes your skin, long lasting, oil free. So it gives 24 hours lasting with satin finish and it's really nice. It has silicone texture. So this is the tube and I'll just show you. It looks like this. So I have very large pores here. So coming next to my strobe cream, I'll be using MAC strobe cream. I have the bigger one as well, but I want to finish this first. I don't know why I'm not finishing this. और actually हम लोग सब घर पे हैं, so we don't get time to do makeup and all, to go out for party and all that. So I miss so much. Next, I'll be quickly using my orange corrector because I have dark spots here and under eyes, so I have to cancel that out. So here I'll be using Dermacolor orange corrector and it's in the shade D31. So for green corrector, I'll be using Elegal Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. It's my favorite. Elegal is my favorite all time. So I just apply here, that's it. So now I'll take a beauty blender and I just buff it out like very light handed. So for foundation, I'll be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation and here I'm in the shade Desert Beige. So and okay, just let me apply this first. So they have a very nice spatula. So I'm not going much with the foundation, so very less here, very little bit in the forehead. Try to apply less foundation near your mouth, so it tends to get crease and all. So better to not apply that side. And I'll just buff it in. So here I'll be using my PAC beauty blender. So आपके पास जो आप जैसे ये डैप करते हो एंड सो जो भी उसमें बचा है फाउंडेशन में, तो आप यहाँ पे you can just press it, you just buff in it. So just let me tell you about this foundation. It's a very nice foundation. It gives you I would say medium to a full coverage, but it's a really amazing foundation. I just love this foundation for my go-to, you know, wherever I go in, like if I go to a shopping mall, if I go for a party like that, if you want to go for a get together, so you know you want to give that very light, it's very lightweight, guys, trust me, it's very lightweight. It's really amazing foundation. ये आप जब अप्लाई करते हो स्किन पे ऐसा लगता भी नहीं कि you have applied any foundation. It's really amazing and it's really nice, and it's quite affordable also for if you want to go for affordable foundation. It's really nice. So next, I'll be using Fit Me foundation. As you all know, Fit Me to sabka favorite, and it's really the topmost foundation, I would say, for, you know, it gives you a medium to high coverage. You can just build it up, and it's really awesome foundation. So here I'm in the shade 228 soft tan, and it says it's for normal to oily skin, especially for oily skin out girls. It's your foundation. So it gives you it says for normal to oily skin, it mattifies and refines pores, matches natural tone, natural seamless finish. Guys, trust me, they have cool tones, they have warm tones, and then they have really amazing they have all the means shade, they have all the amazing shades for all the skin types, for all the skin tones. So I just love this, and let me just apply here like a little bit, like a dot, just to, you know, yeah, that much. So with my same beauty blender, and I'll just dab. You know, what I think about Fit Me is, Fit Me is a foundation you can never think कि हाँ आपको कोई और फाउंडेशन लगाना पड़ेगी. आप कभी भी ड्रॉर से निकालो and just apply and it looks so amazing, so nice. मुझे तो कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार I don't need any foundation. This is so lightweight, so amazing, and अब तो मेरे फेवरेट लिस्ट में मेरा Wet n Wild foundation भी आ गया है. So I'm so impressed. So here I'll be using this next Swiss Beauty a Pearl Illuminator मेकअप बेस. सो मुझे किसी ने सजेस्ट किया था कि इसको यूज़ करने के लिए. इट्स वेरी नाइस illuminating I would say liquid highlighter. So here I'm in the shade Golden Pink. It says lightweight liquid illuminator that gives it skin refresh, glow and beautiful highlight. Let me just try this. I have not tried this ever. Just, oh my god. So just apply a little bit. I'm getting scared now. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's really amazing. I mean, it's nice. It gives you a little glowy skin. Glowy. And it has a little creamy texture. So for my brows, I have this Faces Canada Mascara Eyebrow brush. It's a very nice brush. You can use this. It has this angular shape, and here is the brush. So let me just start, because I want to conceal my under eyes later. So I'll just you know, make my brow first and then start. So coming next to my eyeshadow, here I'll be using LA Girl Mesmerizing Eyeshadow in the shade Harmonize. So guys, if you want to know how I make my brows, so please let me know in the comment box below, so that, you know, next time I'll make a video on how to make eyebrows easily. So let me know. So here I'll be using a Glassmo Cosmetic brush in number BRA010. It's a nice fluffy brush. So yeah, I'll be taking this color very light. Next, I'll be using Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette, and I'll be using this color with the same brush. So now coming on to my inner corners of my eyes, I'll be using this Ooh La La palette from Colourpop, and here I'll be using this tickled color. So I'll use my hand finger for that. 1 second. Next, I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. They have the duo brush. So this is the fluffy brush and this is the flat brush. So now I'll be using this Huda Beauty same palette, and I'll be using the same color here. Next, for my outer corners, I'll be using a black smoky color, and here next I'll be using this fluffy brush. It's again from Glass Cosmetics, and this is 8017 brush. It's a fluffy brush. So here I'll be taking a Nika palette, and it's double chocolate chip palette, and here I'll be taking this black color. Just a little bit to enhance the outer shade. So I have put on my lashes. It's from pack 56. So coming on to my concealer, for my under eye I'll be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, and it's in the shade medium tawny. So I'll just apply that. Just remember the drill. You don't have to apply much concealer. A little bit is enough. That's it. And if you want to apply here and so with the same beauty blender, I just buff it in. Next, to highlight, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's in the shade creamy beige. Now I'll set everything with my Pick Me a Loose powder, and here I'm in the shade medium, I guess. Yeah, it's light medium. Just set everything. So now for contouring, I'll be I want to try this new one. I have purchased this. It's Miss Rose Professional, and here it's in the shade which shade is 02. So you can, if you want to try, मुझे किसी ने सजेशन दिया था, again same जैसे मुझे स्विस ब्यूटी का सजेशन दिया था किसी ने, so मुझे मिस रोज का भी सजेशन दिया कि you know Shreya, you can try this. It's really amazing highlighter and it's affordable as well. So highlighter and this contour. So let me just try with this. How is it? So for here, for contouring, I'll be using this brush. It's pack 247. And let's see. It's very pigmented. Can you see that? It's very pigmented. Oh dude, it's so pigmented. Oh my god. So I have applied a lot here. So you can see the difference, like, you know, the nose, your nose look a little slimmer if you apply. If you do that trick, it's really nice. Wild Color Icon foundation, bronzer. It's in the shade What Shady. So you can see मैंने इसको ऑर्डर किया था Amazon से और ये पूरी तरह से it was so shattered I would say, and उसके बाद मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि मैं क्या करूँ, what should I do. So मैंने इसको सेटिंग स्प्रे से पूरा सेट कर दिया. एंड गाइस इफ यू वांट टू नो, अगर आपके पास कोई भी कॉम्पैक्ट या फिर ब्रॉन्जर या फिर कुछ हाईलाइट अगर टूट गया है, सो इफ यू वांट टू नो हाउ टू फिक्स दैट, please let me know below in the comment box so that you know I can make another video for that. So for now I'll be using this, so you can see how I fixed it and it's very nice. So for that I'll be using brush. It's Nika brush. It's the blush brush. So I just so for my nose as well, so I'll take a flat brush, like an angular brush, and just apply. So now for a blush, I'll be using Faces Canada Glam On. It's in the shade Cocktail Peach 04, and here I'll be using Pack 231 brush. Just dab a little bit, not much. Go on, lady. It's a very nice cocktail peachy color, and it's really amazing blush. It does not give it that pigmentation, but it has pigmentation, but then if you want, you can go if you want more blush, if you like blush, you can apply a lot, but I want very less blush, so I'm going very light-handed on this, like this, and just dab it onto your skin. I don't want that much blush here because I have applied a bronzer which has already a warmth to it, so I will not go a lot with my blush. So it's done, and now coming on to my lips. I have already applied my lashes, and I don't know why it's coming off. So first I'll go with mascara, and here I'll be using Lash Sensational Mascara, and it's one of my favorite. As I have told you earlier in my video that Maybelline has some amazing mascaras which no one can beat ever. So first I'll do my lower lash line. मैं तो भूल गई थी lower lash line भी करना है. So I just forgot. Never mind. I'll be using flat brush. Where is it? Okay. The same Anastasia brush, and I will just go under my lower lash. So I'll take the black color first, and I'll just apply. That, and then with the Huda Beauty palette, my Obsession palette, I'll just, what I'll do, just spread it all over not all over, only to my under eye, lower lash line. It's done, and I'll put some mascara to my lower lash line. Now coming on to my lips, I'll be using this is from Swiss Beauty, and it's very nice. I was not knowing that this is from Swiss Beauty. It's really nice lip liner. So it's done, and for my lipstick I would be using for shade I don't know guys, what's it's very old. I think it's been more than 7 to 8 months, but मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है इसमें. So I got it. It's Perfect Maroon, and it's number 012. So for my lipstick I'll be using Marilyn from Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick. It's really amazing color. Let's just apply this. Oh my god. So matte and smells so amazing. So now let's just set everything with my Swiss Beauty setting spray. It has aloe vera with vitamin E, and I'll say that it's very long lasting. Let's just see. Coming on to my highlighter, I want to try this highlighter guys. It's Miss Rose, same I have shown you. So let me just try this. I just want to try this because I like that. So here I'll be using Pro Art brush 32 I think, or 032, I don't know. So I just take this and let me just see the swatch. Oh my god, look at this. Right here. Oh my god, look at this. Wow, I got a affordable highlighter and a bronzer. It's so amazing. So this is my final look.